Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a wiki in Notion, a super helpful way to organize and share information, whether you're managing team resources, building a knowledge base, or just trying to keep your notes in check. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your own wiki in Notion, make it look professional, and quickly personalize it for your needs. Let's get started. The first thing you might try is heading over to the three dots menu at the top right corner of your Notion workspace. You'll notice an option labeled Turn into Wiki. This feature is designed to quickly convert an existing Notion page into a wiki, giving it that classic wiki format, a centralized page with a dedicated search bar and navigation pane, aimed at making information easy to find. While this sounds convenient, there's a catch. Setting up your wiki this way can actually take a lot of time, especially if you're trying to create a well-structured, professional look from scratch. You'd have to build out the whole thing, section by section. So if you're looking for speed and style, we've got a smarter route. That brings us to the method I want to show you today. We'll be using Notion's free wiki templates instead. Templates are a fantastic way to save yourself hours of groundwork. They're expertly designed, giving your wiki an instantly polished look. And best of all, they're totally customizable. Think of it like starting with a pre-built house. You can move the rooms around and repaint the walls without having to lay every brick yourself. To use a template, let's focus on the top left of your Notion window. You'll see a small drop-down arrow next to your workspace name. Click that to reveal more options. This part might feel a little hidden, but it's really the gateway to all sorts of Notion magic. From here, choose Browse Templates. Notion offers a ton of templates for all different purposes, so we need to narrow it down. In the search bar, type Wiki and hit Enter. Don't rush through. Take a few minutes to scroll each template and choose one that fits the purpose of your wiki. For example, if you want something minimalist, or maybe a template suited for team collaboration, pick the one that speaks to your needs. Once you've found a template you like, simply click Add, and Notion will automatically slot it into your workspace. Now, your wiki is set up with sections for documentation, team folders, policies, and usually a home page with a built-in search, making it really easy to keep everything organized. This is where you get to personalize your wiki. You can add credentials, upload creative content, create new sections, and tweak the layout to fit your workflow or branding. I'd recommend adding a welcome message, maybe your logo or personal details, just so the wiki feels truly yours. And remember, nothing is locked. You're free to rearrange pages, add icons, or change colors. If something feels a bit overwhelming at first, don't worry. Notion is all about gradual customization, and you can update things at any time as your needs change. So that's it. You've just set up your own fully functional wiki in Notion, complete with a search bar, multiple pages, and a professional polish, all ready to be customized for whatever you need. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment below with any questions, and subscribe for more Notion tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.